Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I have pre-primed as a first layer this 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I am going to add another layer of paint. Medium black acrylic. The blackest black I know. I'm going to put most of my swipe color in the center. Now I'm going to add my base. Which is metallic white pearl from DecoArt. And we might as well use the 24 karat gold from DecoArt as well. I'm not sure I should have gone directly to the center, but that's okay. I've got some vivid intense vermilion. Some yellow orange I mixed myself, custom color. Want a little bit of this frosted berry, I'm not sure why. Got periwinkle. I think I'm going to snag a little bit of frozen amethyst. And everything is making me want some blue, and I have some cerulean C and some indigo teal. This is the indigo teal. Back to the cerulean C. Now, I thought about some yellow. I'm not sure yet. Some more yellow. This is Dancing Fuchsia, which I'm happy is open because I wasn't sure for a minute. Doesn't seem like it wants to stay open, but that's okay because I've got some alizarin rose. And something else. Oh, Rhapsody Rose. That'll work. And Pink Diamond. I got it. I might as well use it. I still think I might want some yellow, in which case it's mellow yellow. I think I'm going to go back and get the vermilion. Maybe another purple, or maybe another blue. Maybe just more cerulean C, because I really like it. Well, we'll see how that goes. I guess we can always add more. Oh, I've got red violet I didn't use yet. I'm just going to use that everywhere. I've got acetate tools, But you could use, you know, just a card if you wanted to. This is my acetate tool, and I'll show you a picture of that. I'm going to try a bunch of different cell activators, starting with Amsterdam White. And before I use that acetate tool, I'm going to try and do what I said I was going to do. Use just a piece of acetate. I need my scrape dish, and I've got one. I want to move it to a more easily accessible location, though. I've got turquoise, cobalt teal from Atelier, and I don't mind using the same card. Still want to keep scraping them off. Let's try the acetate tool. I want to try some black. I've got some Dancing Fuchsia, and I haven't used it yet, and I want to. Dancing Fuchsia Cell Activator. Let's try it straight on. I think more white. Sort of more random shapes than usual, which is okay. I like my little acetate tools because they'll add curves in places I wouldn't normally expect them to be. Let's give a shot to adding some spirals. I'm going to torch, pop some bubbles, color today. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.